Hey friends, if you wish to tag files in Windows and use it to make the file search efficient, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, I'll tell you what tags are basically. Tags means that you are binding certain files under a common identity. So, you'll simply search for the tag and all files with that tag will appear. Let us say that you need to create a tag for this file. Right click on it, select show more options, go to properties, go to the details tab. Now you'll find the tag section here. Now add a tag here. Let's say tech video. Click on OK and then the tag has been added. Let us right click on the second one, show more options, properties, details, and then tag, and then search, click on tech. Sorry, TECH. Actually find this option here. Simply click on OK. Okay, now if you search for the tech tag, you will notice that both of these options will appear. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.